Hey everyone! Connecting your XM account to Tradingview allows you to analyze institutional-grade charts while maintaining the tight spreads and reliability XM is known for. In 2026, the integration primarily focuses on high-fidelity data synchronization to ensure your analysis matches your execution platform perfectly. Step 1. Selecting the Trade button, the trigger. We're starting on your Tradingview chart. We're heading to the Trade button in the top right, the white icon with the plus sign. We do this to pull up the broker selection menu and verify the current connection status. Click the Trade button. Type XM in the search bar. You will notice that XM's logo does not appear. This is because Tradingview and XM do not currently have a direct API handshake for order execution within the Tradingview interface. Step 2. Connecting via the official XM website. Since you can't link them directly in the sidebar, we are heading to the official XM website. We do this to utilize XM's unified platform, which now embeds Tradingview's charts directly into their own secure member area. Log into your XM member area. Look for the Web Trader or the new XM Unified Platform tab. XM has integrated Tradingview's supercharts natively into their site. Link your MT4 or MT5 account inside the XM portal. You can now navigate your charts using the full suite of Tradingview tools, indicators, drawings, and timeframes, while having your XM order ticket attached right next to the chart. Even though the account balance won't show up at the bottom of Tradingview.com, you should still perform your deep technical analysis on the main Tradingview site. Use the XM data feed, search XM:EURUSD so your price levels match your broker exactly. Once your Tradingview alert hits, switch tabs to your XM Web Trader or MetaTrader app. Because you used the XM feed for analysis, the price you see on Tradingview will be identical to the price on your execution screen. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.